So guys, this is an introductory video on forex trading, not to beginners but to developing traders. The last video I made was about the stages of a forex trader. Please do well to watch that video so that you will know the stage that you are and come back here, because this video is essentially for traders in stage 2 or stage 3. It is linked in the description of this video below and is a very short video, so you can go ahead and watch it. So let's begin. Going forward, what I'm about to explain are what you should bear in mind as a career forex trader. First of all, you should know forex trading is a business. You should bear this at the back of your head. It is a business and you should treat it as such. You need to be thinking like a businessman. And businessmen, they don't want to lose their money, even though it is risky to go into any business. But you have to plan ahead of time and plan based on what you want to do in any business that you want to start. And forex trading is a business. Think of any business that can give you 5% in a month. Wow, that is an incredible good ROI. It's a good return. So forex trading can actually give you this, which makes it a business. Don't depend on what people are saying that you can get 100% or 30% monthly return in forex. Yes, it is very possible, but it's never consistent, and your whole capital will be at stake, making it gambling. So bear in mind, forex trading is a business. And secondly, you will need money going forward. Not just money, but enough money, millions of naira and thousands of dollars maybe. You will need this that will be able to sustain you in the forex market going forward. Trading with $100 account, $500 account, or $1,000 account is not what you should be thinking as a career forex trader. It's not the right way to go. So you will need a very huge amount of money to trade. Okay, imagine living off of, let me just give you a bigger picture. What kind of a capital will the 3% of it sustain you for a month? If you can do that math, then you should be able to picture out the capital you need to trade in forex. If 3,000 naira will be enough for you in a month, then your trading capital can be 100,000 naira. If 30,000 naira will be enough for you for a month, then your trading capital should be 1 million. Do the math. Whichever one is comfortable to you, that should be your trading capital. But as an experienced trader, I'm advising you need a huge sum of money. Even though you don't have the money to be trading, but forex trading is a career. People will locate you as far as you have the result in place, and they will give you this money, which will be splitting profit with them, which makes it a job for you. Now, going forward again, you should note this, that your broker is not the enemy. Most of the traders have this concept that their brokers are always against them, and they will do everything possible to avoid brokers. But how do you avoid brokers when you are trading forex? You can't avoid them. The only manipulations brokers have is when it comes to the spread, the slippage, and the commissions. These are what the broker have power over, and then this is where they may be stealing money from you, which is why you need to do your research on the kind of brokers or the kind of broker you want to be using. So your broker is not the enemy. You will have to find out the enemy, and I'll speak about that in a video, not here. So what next do you need to know going forward in forex trading is that you need fresh new exercise books and pens instead of new screens. What do I mean by this? You see most traders with a lot of computers in front of them, and you wish that you are like them. You don't know what those traders are going through. Those are day traders. In a video I called Debunking Day Trading, I spoke about day trading and the danger of day trading. As a day trader, there are so many forces working against you. You can go and watch that video to know how day trading is and how to avoid day trading. But let's go back to what I was saying. You need books and pen. You need this to be writing down, and because you have to be creating your system for yourself going forward, and you will need this instead of screens. As a trader that I am, been trading for long, I can tell you I only have one screen which is connected to my laptop, and I don't even use it. I just use the laptop directly because that is what I want to be seeing. And then I don't trade for long, I just trade for a short time. So laptop is perfectly okay. Just a laptop is okay, and a phone. And I have a lot of exercise books that I have written stuff down and accumulated, compiled into a system, which is why you need an exercise book and a pen. Okay, now talking about the route that you are going to follow, that is the steps you are going to take into becoming a pro. I want to summarize them here. Number one is creating a system. You have to create a system for yourself, something that you want. This is where your business is based on, and your system consists of the operational part of it and the business part of it. I will be making a video concerning a trading system and everything element attached in it. I will be explaining in a particular video. So creating a system is the first stage into becoming a career forex trader. The next stage after creating your trading system is backtesting your system. Like I said, your trading system consists of the operational parts and the business parts. The operational part is where you talk about your strategies, the money management, risk control, all those kind of stuff that you need to do. Then they also have the business part. Now, while by backtesting, you'll be backtesting your operational part. You want to understand how well your system could have worked had it been you were trading previously, had it been you were trading years back, how much would you have made? And so you want to know how far this system can take you. Then this is where backtesting is necessary, and I have a video on how to backtest and what you're to shoot for, the points that you have to hit in your backtesting that you say yes, this system is okay. There's a video for that. Now after the backtesting stage, you get to the forward testing stage. This stage is where you practice all you have worked for, tested, and then this is where you are about to trust your system if it works going forward. There's a video for it also, how to forward test your system, what to shoot for, and the best way to go about it. It is this forward testing now that gives you a conclusion into your confidence, and what you need before you go live is confidence. You just need confidence to be there with you because you know that your system works. And the best way to get confidence is these stages that I've just mentioned. After creating your system, back testing, then the forward stage, the forward testing stage. This stage should be on a demo account or on a small account that you're willing to lose, even though you don't want to lose it. But this is the best way to go about forward testing. After this stage, then you will get to the business plan stage. This is the stage where you create your business plan. Your business plan consists of rules, sets that will manage your trading account, which is how much you are going to withdraw and at what point are you going to withdraw your money. When you are supposed to compound your trading capital and trade the compounded capital. When you are supposed to reduce your risks, that's the period of time when you are supposed to reduce your risks, and the period of time when you are supposed to stop trading, and the period of time when you are supposed to increase your risks. All these are contained in the business plan, and I have a video for this, the business plan, which I'll be uploading step by steps after these stages. Now after the business plan, you've created your business plan and your system is fully ready to go. Right now, what do? The next stage is fundraising, gathering fund for yourself. Now if you are rich, this is the stage where you bring your money because your system is tested and trusted and firm. This is where you bring your money and trade along the period or the years, and get those massive profits into your pocket. Now, fundraising, it can also be a stage where you get funds from other people that are willing to invest in you. Now, it is complicated in the sense that if you've reached this stage and you don't have money, you have to be trading a demo still for like a year or thereabout, or a smaller account for like a year or thereabout. This is just a proof to show to people that will be willing to invest in you. And I can tell you, there will be enough people, hundreds, that will look for you if your system is good enough. There are people around you too that wants to be multiplying their money but can't find the legit means. You can give them this opportunity to multiply their money. Now, after the fundraising stage, the next stage is going live. Voila! This is the stage that all traders wants to be. And going live, I want to be talking about this because it contains so many psychological hurdles that you are going to be facing, and there are approaches that you need to use in facing this kind of psychological hurdles. So traders, be patient because these steps are going to take you enough time, and it is important you follow them sequentially, just like I've listed. And or maybe you are having some money to trade and you just can't wait to start trading. Save that money and get prepared for this market first. The market will wait for you. It's not going anywhere. It's been 26 years, Forex is still here. There is no honor in blowing up your account. It's like a slap on the face, and keep your money while you are packaging yourselves. Subscribe to this channel for more, share this, and like.